Hello, my name is Mina Angelova. I am an illustrator and recently I created my own children's book with KDP. It's called The Fairy and the Butterfly. Here I will show you how I created my book step by step. The properties of my book are 8.5 by 8.5 inches with glossy cover, bleeding landscape illustrations, and it has 27 pages. Now, how I created the book. First I made watercolor illustrations and I scanned them with 300 dpi resolution. Editing your pages. For bleeding illustrations, you need to add extra inches to the images so you are not left with a white margin. So I added some inches to the width and height of my pages so I don't get this problem. And because I need landscape illustrations, I work on spreads. And finally, this is the size of the file I work on. This is how one spread looks like. First I add just the illustration and then I add the text and I have my spread finished. In the same way, I edit my cover. The exact same size of the other spreads. I edit, this is the front, this is the back, and I edit the colors and the text. And when it's all finished, all the manuscript pages and the front and back cover, we can move on to exporting your ebook. You will need to merge all the layers of your file. Flatten image. Now that your image is flattened, you will need to verify if you are working on an image that is RGB color, because for ebooks you need it to be RGB. After it is converted to RGB, you can cut the spread into 2 pages. You go Image, Canvas size, and you do as I do here. And you have 1 page cut. Then you save this page. Go File, Save As. You will have to save as a PDF. And you just save it. Now you go back to your spread and cut the other page in the exact same way. I find this to be the easiest way. And you save again. To PDF, only change the number of the page. After you save each page into a PDF file, you need to repeat these steps to create each page of your book. Then for the cover, you will need to do a similar process. Here is our cover. You need to flatten the image so you don't have many layers. You need to convert to RGB, and because ebooks don't have back cover, you just need to save the front cover. So you cut the front cover only. and save it to a JPEG file. Then create the ebook for KDP. You will need to convert all the pages you have exported into one MOBI file. You can do this downloading the Kindle Kids Book Creator from KDP website. After you install it, you open Kindle Kids Book Creator. You create a new children's book. You say next, and you fill all the information about your book, and you click next. If your book is like mine, you need to select the landscape mode, the 2 pages side by side, and you want your first page to be on the left side. You click next. I click the second option and choose JPEG image. You click add the rest of the pages. You will be able to upload to this program all the pages of your book. You just select all the PDFs you have exported and you click open. He's telling me all the pages were uploaded with success, and so I click OK. As you see, I have all the manuscript of my book uploaded and ready. You should verify if everything is fine, and after you do that, save and export for publication. Then you have your MOBI file ready to be uploaded on KDP. You just go to KDP, bookshelf, Kindle book. You will need to fill all the information about your book. When you have filled that information, you save and continue. Then it will go to Kindle book content. You will upload the manuscript. Then you upload the cover. Is the JPEG image we have exported. And then you launch a preview to see if everything's fine with your book. And continue. You will need to set the price of your book. And then you just publish your Kindle book. It's very, very simple. We can move to how to publish your paperback. First, you will need to export your paperback. You just open a spread and then you repeat the process of flattening the images. Then you need to convert your image to this kind of color, CMYK, which is for print. And then you will cut again each page of the spread, like previously. So you go to canvas size and do as I'm doing here. And save again to PDF. You go back to the spread, canvas size, percentage, 50, 50 to the right, proceed, file, save as, PDF, this time 17, and you have your page saved. You will need to repeat this process to all the spreads of your manuscript. After you create all your PDF pages, you will need to import all the PDF pages again. Here are my pages. I select them all and I open them, my editing program. After they are all opened, I go File, Automate, PDF Presentation. I add Open Files. I have all the files here. Then I save. You can call this PDF manuscript. This PDF contains all the pages of your book. This is how your PDF should look like. All your pages into one PDF. You should verify if all the pages are fine, and your manuscript is ready to be uploaded to KDP. You will need to prepare your cover for upload. Also, you open your cover. Your cover is nice and ready. It is as a spread, the front cover and the back cover in one file. And that's how you need it to be exported for upload into the KDP website. So you just need to convert it to CMYK mode for printing and File, Save As, just export it as PDF. You don't have to worry about the spine if your book is with few pages like mine. In such cases, the spine is irrelevant. You will only have to worry about the spine if you have a book with many pages. Then you have your paperback ready for upload on KDP. You go again to KDP, create the paperback, fill all the information. To choose the trim size of your book, in this case is 8.5 by 8.5 inches. With bleed, I chose glossy cover. Then you upload the manuscript that contains all the pages of the inside of your book. You upload the cover, which is the back and front cover PDF. Finally, you launch a preview to see if everything's fine with your book. You save and continue to paperback rights pricing. You set your price and you publish your paperback book. It's that simple. So, I hope this was helpful. I hope you find it clear and easy. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. Check my book. This is the Portuguese version, but I have this book in English and in Bulgarian. The quality of print of KDP is excellent. Tell me about your experience with KDP. Subscribe to my channel to follow my work and more tutorials on self-publishing. Thank you very much. Bye bye.